All right, let's take a look at this example. We're trying to find the tangent of the inverse sine of -3/7. So a couple things to notice is that this is not a special triangle value here, so I can't use special triangles, and these are not inverses of each other, tangent and inverse sine, so I can't use any inverse sine properties. So what I want to do are inverse function properties. What I want to do is draw a picture of what's happening. So over here I have a circle of radius 7, and so I'm going to use the fact that this guy right here represents some angle. Okay, and I'm going to draw a picture of that angle over here. So I'm just kind of pulling out this part of the problem, and I know that the sine of whatever that angle is -3/7, and that angle by inverse sine restrictions has to be between -pi/2 and pi/2. All right, and I'm going to use the x over r property. So my x value is -3 and my radius is 7. Sorry, not x. How about y? Better? Yes, for sine. Okay, so that's why I drew a circle of radius 7. All right, so if I go to y equals -3, that's going to be about right there. So I've got some x value, appears to be a little bit bigger than 6, and a y value of -3, and then this radius is 7. So I know that this angle, that theta right there, has a sine of -3/7. So if I look at this bigger problem and I think about, okay, I'm trying to find the tangent of theta, that theta that's in my picture. Literally, I'm trying to find the tangent of this theta. So that's going to be y over x. Well, I already know the y value. The y value is -3. So all I have to figure out is the x value. And I can do that by simply thinking about a right triangle here. So this value is 3, or I could use my x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And I could figure out what x is pretty easily here. All right, so x squared plus y is 3, or -3, so squared is 9. And my r value is 7, so that squared is 49. So I subtract that over and take the square root, and I get x is the square root of 40. Now if you approximate that, it should be a little bit bigger than 6, which makes sense with my picture over here. So I'll just go plug that in up here for my x value, and that's pretty much my answer. I can rationalize it by multiplying the top and bottom by the square root of 40 if I want to do that, and that is the answer.